Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be demonstrating how to resolve the try searching to get started problem on Google Chrome. Let's dive into the solution together. When you encounter this error message on Google Chrome while trying to access YouTube, follow these simple steps to fix it. Firstly, open Google Chrome and navigate to YouTube. If the error message appears, don't worry, we'll address it. Click on the padlock icon in the address bar to view site information. Then, select Cookies and Site Data and proceed to Manage on-Device Site Data here. Delete the options as demonstrated in the video. Ensure that you also delete these options when closing all browser windows. Once you've cleared the data, click Done and then hit Reload to refresh the page. Another approach is to click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Settings, scroll down and click on About Google Chrome to ensure that your browser is up to date. If not, Chrome will automatically update. After updating, close and reopen Chrome. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Google Chrome error. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, this method should work seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos.